me I'll be there for you. You're not alone, my brother.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. It's underscore Kisaka. This is my YouTube channel name, and big up to all the Jamaicans in the house. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for always supporting this channel, coming back to watch my videos, and also all the guys from Africa and the rest of the world, but especially to the Jamaicans. I say big up. Thank you so much. May God bless you so much. There's a saying that how wonderful and pleasant it is for brothers and sisters to live with one another in peace, love, and unity. And recently, Ziggy Marley, the son to one of the reggae icons from Jamaica, Bob Marley, has teamed up with an African sister and a songwriter known as Yemi Alade. They have come up with a song known as Peace, Love, and Unity. In this song, they are aiming to unite Africa. There's something that we call Federal Republic of Africa. In Africa, there's a lot of visa requirements when moving from country to country. Africa is very vast, very large, with about 55 countries, but it's very bad, it's sad in this time and age, moving from one country to another, and we are Africans. Some countries require you to pay visa. This song seeks to unite Africans, and Ziggy Marley has said that, he's singing the song that we are together. This song was recorded here in Kenya. I'm so proud of my country, Kenya. In the video, guys, you can see some of the culture being portrayed. As I've said, this video was recorded in Kenya, and in the video you can see the Maasai people jumping up and down. The Maasai people are one of the warriors in Kenya who can fight lion with their bare hands, without just pierce arrows and their hands, and fight lion and kill lions. Also in the picture we have some dances there. I'm not saying that Maasai or these dancers are the only ones in Africa. Africa is a very big country which is rich in color. We have the Zulu in the South Africa. When you go to the northern part of Africa, there's different kind of culture. It is a rich tapestry of culture and languages. But we are praying for a unified Africa, one Africa. Even this, was the prayer of Marcus Garvey, unifying all the Africans who are living, who are taken out of Africa, and the ones that in Africa. We are hoping that we should unite. If we get to unite, we can do wonders. There's a lot of potential in Africa. There's a lot of minerals, minerals that have not been exploited. There's a lot of opportunities. This is why even in the past there was scrambling for Africa, and also years to come. And what is happening, there are some countries, there are some superpower countries that are scrambling for Africa with the aim of exploiting, someone with the aim of exploiting Africans in the name of giving loans, but their motive down the line is to exploit and get a portion of Africa. It is so wonderful seeing Ziggy Marley and Yemi Alade reminding Africans that we need to unite. In the past, we remember there's a leader from one of the African countries known as Libya, was known as Muammar Gaddafi, who had that idea. But the nations, the superpowers, came up with a plan, and it is alleged that they are the ones that eliminated Muammar Gaddafi. He wanted to unify Africa, unify Africans, and his plan is still in the pipeline. We are hoping that Africans will unite, and that's quite some dollars. And this is Africa. It's bad. The borders that were created by the colonial masters are not good at all, because you find that in most of the countries, like in the borders, you find that there are some tribes that live in the other border and the other border, but they are one family. One just crosses the border in order to see the family, and they are just one tribe, one clan. There are so many clans in Africa. We need to unify Africans. And thank you, Jamaicans, for standing with Africans. You have been standing with Africans for long. Even when I do record these videos, there are some people who it will be borderless. It is very bad and sad to move from, like in this song, Yemi Alade is singing. She's singing saying that because she's from Nigeria, Nigeria is the western side of Africa, she's not getting the point, or she's not happy with the fact that she's a Nigerian, and if she decides to come to East Africa, that is Uganda, she has to pay. Tend to comment there, to put their comments like,
"Hey, you African boy, what are you doing? Why are you so concerned with Jamaica? You should be concerned with your own country."
Yes, I'm proud of my country, Kenya. I'm concerned with it, but because of the love I have for Jamaica and the love that Jamaicans give me back, I can't stop talking about Jamaica, and I can't also just sit back and relax and see other people doing videos about the negativities of Jamaica. You know, there are people who are out there going to Jamaica and then seeing the negativities and putting it online. We are here to show Jamaica to the world, to so that even the people who didn't know about Jamaica should also know, should get to know about Jamaica. And also, when I get along my African brothers, I tend to educate them about Jamaicans. You know, we Africans, some of us have been growing up knowing that Jamaica is in Africa, and some of us also didn't know that in Jamaica, it's irrespective of it being dominant with black people, there are also other Jamaicans who are like Indian Jamaicans and so forth. So we need to unify Africa, and also not only Africa, the world, but we Africans should have a borderless countries. And in this song, this is what they're advocating. No, we should eliminate these visas moving from one country to another. I'm happy there are some parts of Africa that they have taken this in. They have ratified, and this is in place. Like in East Africa, if you are from within East Africa, like the countries of Africa, of Eastern Africa, like Kenya, Uganda. If I cross over to Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania, I only need my identification document, not even a passport, and I'm good to cross and go over to the other country for good 6 months without any questions. This is the way Africa should be, and not the way around how these colonial masters created these borders with restrictions that don't add up any value to our countries. Thank you once again to Jamaica. Jamaica has been standing with Africa, and I'm so happy this song from Ziggy Marley, the son to Bob Marley. You know, Bob Marley did a song known as Zimbabwe in the 1980s, which prompted many Africans to fight for their rights. And I remember, not remember, because I was not born at that time. When Zimbabwe got independence, they invited Bob Marley to play at the function. And many more songs about Bob Marley. Bob Marley did a song about One Love. You can even remember in Paris Olympics, the Jamaicans played this song. And this song is actually loved throughout the world. And it is really loved. It is played almost globally. There's also so many other songs like Redemption, African Unite, and so forth. So I'm so proud of this song. You can check it out by Ziggy Marley and my sister from Africa, Yemi Alade, Peace and Love. And the good book tells us that we should live with one another in unity, in peace and love. I understand there is a lot of issues that has been happening in Africa, fightings here and there, but we should call on the leaders to stop this. If any of these leaders are going wrong, we should find a way to solve this mess. And also, this corruption thing should be stopped. The coming generations, Gen Z, and also all the generations that are there, we should come up with a way to stop this mess. This has been the video for today. I really thank you guys for supporting. Stay tuned. Kindly share this video out, like the video, and also put your comments down. I really don't take you guys for granted. I love you so much, and thank you for always supporting we Africans. Cheers, guys. See you on my next video.